bull at the entrance of the Bombay Stock Exchange on Dalal Street in Mumbai is on a break. The record peaks being hit every day are no longer visible in the winter fog, and even investors who entered the relatively safe world of systematic investment plans in 2024 are facing negative returns. The Nifty, the bellwether index of 50 most actively traded blue chips, has tumbled more than 11% since its September high of 26,277. The mid-cap 100 index is down 12.5% from its highs. Some sectoral indices have fared worse, with the NSE index of government-owned companies down to 23% from its high. The FMCG and the consumption indices are both down more than 16%, while the infrastructure companies have fallen 15% on an average. Banks are down more than 9%. The biggest reason has been a significant exodus of foreign investors, with outflows reaching 2.65 lakh crore rupees since August 2024. The shock has been cushioned in part by domestic investors who have ploughed in 3.48 lakh crore rupees in the same period. The foreign outflows have been driven by concerns over high valuations and weak corporate earnings in India, and a strong dollar prompting FIIs to seek better returns elsewhere, particularly in the US bonds. Market players meanwhile feel the budget could focus on several key areas to enhance market liquidity and growth. These include the long-standing demand for low security transaction tax or STT rates and a review of a long-term capital gains LTCG tax rates. The tax was increased by 12.5% from 10% in Budget 2024. An increase in government capital expenditure will help stimulate economic growth and help the infra sector. The mutual fund industry is also seeking measures to enhance investor participation, such as tax incentives or simplified regulations. Markets are also looking for an expansion of the production-linked incentive PLI schemes to more sectors. Investors are also looking beyond the budget 2025 to the actions of the new US President Donald Trump. Many foreign investors are already reallocating their portfolios towards markets perceived as offering better returns, such as the US and China, especially following recent stimulus measures in China. Any new tariffs on Indian goods by the new administration in White House could muddy the waters further. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.